Do you love the Tron movies and the incredible light cycles featured in them? Well, you're in for a treat. As you might know, Disney has opened a new ride in the Magic Kingdom called Tron Lightcycle Run, but what you may not know is that there are many hidden secrets within the ride. For example, did you know that the ride's architecture was inspired by the light cycles themselves? The entrance to the ride looks like the Tron symbol, and the coaster track twists and turns just like the light cycles in the movie. Additionally, the color scheme of the ride is based on the iconic neon colors of the Tron universe. Another amazing feature of the ride is the interactive queue experience. While you wait in line, you can play games and even design your own light cycle. Plus, the queue has some subtle nods to the movies, including the use of the movie's original soundtrack. But the real highlight of Tron Lightcycle Run is the ride itself. As soon as you hop on, you feel like you're in the movie. The ride takes you on a high-speed journey through the game grid, and the special effects make you feel like you're riding right alongside the characters. And if you're lucky enough to ride at night, the neon lighting adds another layer of immersion to the experience. So, if you're a fan of the Tron movies or just love thrilling roller coasters, Tron Lightcycle Run is a must-ride attraction at the Magic Kingdom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Disney secrets and tips.
Be strong.